Hello everyone. Monsoon season brings life to India. But it also brings the risk of devastating floods. Let's explore some simple yet effective ways we can help prevent them. One key solution is improving our drainage systems. Clogged drains and overflowing gutters are major contributors to flooding. Regular cleaning and maintenance, especially before the monsoon hits, are crucial. We can all pitch in by keeping our drains free from debris and reporting any blockages to the authorities. Another important step is responsible deforestation and afforestation. Trees absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and preventing soil erosion, which can clog waterways. Planting more trees, especially near rivers and slopes, helps create natural barriers against flooding. Building stronger embankments and dams along our rivers and coastal areas acts as a crucial defense against rising water levels. These structures can divert excess water and protect vulnerable communities. Regular inspection and maintenance of these structures are vital for their effectiveness. Many areas suffer from unplanned and haphazard construction, often encroaching upon natural water channels. Stricter building regulations and enforcement are essential, ensuring that buildings are constructed in safe locations, away from flood-prone zones. This also protects the buildings themselves from damage. Early warning systems are a lifeline during the monsoon season. Investing in and improving weather forecasting technology, along with effective communication channels, allows for timely evacuation and preparation, minimizing the impact of floods. Finally, responsible waste management is critical. Plastic and other waste clogs drains and waterways, exacerbating the flooding problem. Proper disposal of waste and community cleanup initiatives can significantly reduce the risk of waterlogging. Let's work together to keep our environment clean. Remember, preventing floods is a collective responsibility. By implementing these simple measures, we can significantly reduce the risk and build a more resilient India. Let's all do our part.